Time for another unboxing. This also comes from Royal Tiger Imports. Alright. Now, I think the best way is going to be to cut it open at one end and to just slide the gun out. Leave that there. Uh-oh. I see bubble wrap. It's gonna, oh, what a mess. Oh, it's gonna make a mess. So, that's it, gentlemen. Just take the ownership papers for myself there. All right. What do we have here? What do we have here? Cut it again. God, just totally. I think I got it. Right. There we go. Wow. That is a C-grade Berthier. All right. Yeah. Let me look at the receipt here. C-grade French Berthier, 1907/15. Yeah. There you go. Let's see. Oh man. Now that's what I call a stock crack. Look at that. Oh man, they put like a big staple in there or something to hold it together. Yeah, a good number of gouges. It's just dirty as sin. Oh wow, this stock has just been beaten up. Oh man. It's, look, I can, just by twisting the stock, I can make that crack go wider. See? It's like, oh yeah, this stock is just like destroyed. God, I don't even know if the stock can be fixed. It's just really messed up. But okay, so bolt works. Got nice markings. I mean, yeah, it looks like the receiver and the bolt serial numbers match. Metal is okay. Yeah, made in 1917, I guess. Yeah, there you go, C-grade Berthier from Royal Tiger Imports. Metal's good, but this, wow, this stock is just like, More cracked than you can imagine. Yeah. Very dirty. I can see a lot of like fur kind of trapped between the metal and the wood. And there you go. Sight's missing something. Let's see. Yeah, this was $400 from Royal Tiger Imports, and they warned in the ad that the stock would be messed up, parts might be missing, etc. So, I mean, can't really complain about anything here. It's definitely been through at least one world war.